All right, today I'm doing a demonstration of the 200 versus the 300 series stainless steel. So I like to make up a little chart here. I have two metal samples. And if you don't know what the samples are, why don't we nickname them? We'll call this one metal A, and we'll call this one metal B. And the kit that I'm using today is the 1599, the Alloy Pro. And it says to perform the nickel test and the manganese test. So I'm going to do two tests, and I'm making a little grid. This will help explain what test to perform. According to the instruction manual, the manganese test and the nickel test. All right? So I'm going to do each test to each sample. First, I'll do the manganese test. It says use the fiber sheets. Here's the fiber sheet. One drop of solution. Okay, you can see the moist spot. And let's see, 10 seconds on high. So I'm just going to put the I'm just going to touch the alligator clip to the metal for 10 seconds. Okay, and of course I'm just looking at the little timer on the display. And same with this one. You want to do the exact same amount of time and use the same solutions for each sample. That's how we keep it fair. And so you could really evaluate. Now look at those results. This one is really a brilliant pinkish red color. And this one is very faint. It doesn't look like it's anything in the red. It has a slight little orangey, brownish color, but really not much. So that's a good... This metal I'm giving the plus sign because it's really a positive result for manganese. And this one I'll give a negative sign for manganese. Okay? The next test is the nickel test. So let's bring these down over here. And the nickel test requires 0100 paper. And first, a drop of solution 3. And only touch this thing for a second. So watch, the aluminum cylinder is only going to tap this for a second. That's that. Now I'll do the same thing for this one. And let's see what kind of results we have. This goes here, and then we chase it with solution number 4. That's what the instruction manual says. Right away, this one has a really nice pink spot. I'm going to give this a plus. This one, no pink at all. Or it could, maybe you could see the faintest of pinks. This one gets a negative result. So now we have it. Positive nickel, negative manganese. That is characteristic of a 304 stainless steel. Negative nickel, positive manganese. That's a 200 series, like a 201. And again, in the instruction manual, there's a little more detail to what I'm covering, but that concludes this demonstration. Thanks for checking it out.